In this video, let us discuss and learn about what is Agile methodology and how it works. Agile Software Development Lifecycle, a comprehensive guide. Home Agile Software Development Lifecycle, a comprehensive guide. The Agile Software Development Lifecycle, a comprehensive guide. Introduction. In today's rapidly evolving software development landscape, businesses are increasingly turning to Agile methodologies to deliver high-quality software products that meet customer needs and expectations. Agile software development is a collaborative and iterative approach that emphasizes flexibility, adaptability, and continuous improvement. It enables development teams to respond quickly to changing requirements and deliver value to customers in shorter time frames. This article will delve into the 6 phases of the Agile software development lifecycle, exploring the key activities, roles, and deliverables associated with each phase. By understanding these phases, you will be equipped with the knowledge to embrace Agile practices and drive successful software development projects. Phase 1 – Concept. The concept phase marks the beginning of the Agile software development lifecycle. During this phase, the product owner collaborates with stakeholders to determine the scope of the project. They prioritize projects based on their importance and discuss key requirements with clients. The product owner prepares documentation outlining the project, including the supported features and proposed end results. It is essential to keep the requirements minimal during this phase, as they can be added to in later stages. The product owner also estimates the time and cost of potential projects, conducting a detailed analysis to determine project feasibility before commencing work. By thoroughly understanding the project's concept, the team can set a clear direction for the development process. Phase 2 – Inception. Once the concept is defined, the next phase is Inception. In this phase, the software development team is formed, and the necessary tools and resources are provided. The product owner assesses the availability of colleagues and selects the best individuals for the project. The team begins the design process by creating a mock-up of the user interface and building the project architecture. During the inception phase, stakeholders provide further input to refine the requirements and determine the product's functionality. Regular check-ins ensure that all requirements are incorporated into the design process. This collaborative approach sets the foundation for successful Agile software development, fostering effective communication and alignment among team members and stakeholders. Phase 3 – Iteration. The iteration phase, also known as construction, is where the bulk of the work takes place. It is the longest phase in the Agile software development lifecycle. The developers collaborate with UX designers to integrate all product requirements and customer feedback, translating the design into code. The primary goal of this phase is to build the core functionality of the product by the end of the first iteration or sprint. Agile iteration allows developers to create working software quickly and make improvements based on client feedback. The iterative nature of Agile development enables teams to deliver value incrementally, reducing the risk associated with long development cycles. Additional features and enhancements can be added in subsequent iterations, ensuring that the final product meets the evolving needs of the customer. Phase 4 – Testing. The testing phase is crucial in ensuring the quality and reliability of the software product. Agile methodologies advocate for continuous testing throughout the development process, rather than leaving it until the end. By integrating testing early and often, development teams can identify and address defects and issues promptly. During this phase, the testing team collaborates closely with the development team to define test cases, execute tests, and report any discovered defects. Test automation tools and frameworks play a vital role in streamlining the testing process, allowing for faster and more efficient testing cycles. Continuous testing enables teams to deliver high-quality software that meets customer expectations. Phase 5 – Deployment. In the deployment phase, the software product is prepared for release to end users. The development team works closely with the operations team to ensure a smooth transition from development to production. Continuous integration and deployment practices facilitate the automation of build, testing, and deployment processes, reducing the time and effort required for release. During this phase, the product owner and stakeholders validate the software against the defined requirements. User acceptance testing (UAT) is conducted to ensure that the product meets the needs of end users. Any necessary adjustments or refinements are made before the final release. The deployment phase marks the culmination of the Agile software development lifecycle, with the software product ready for use by customers. Phase 6 – Maintenance. The final phase of the Agile software development lifecycle is maintenance. Once the software is deployed, the development team continues to support and maintain it based on customer feedback and evolving requirements. Bug fixes, enhancements, and updates are regularly released to address issues and improve the product's functionality. Maintenance activities include monitoring the software's performance, analyzing user feedback, and implementing necessary changes. Agile methodologies emphasize the importance of ongoing collaboration with stakeholders and continuous improvement. By embracing a culture of iterative development and feedback, development teams can deliver software that remains relevant and valuable over time. Conclusion. The Agile software development lifecycle consists of 6 distinct phases, each contributing to the successful delivery of high-quality software products. By understanding the key activities, roles, and deliverables associated with each phase, development teams can leverage Agile methodologies to improve collaboration, responsiveness, and customer satisfaction. Implementing Agile practices requires a shift in mindset and a commitment to continuous improvement. By embracing the principles of Agile software development, organizations can foster a culture of adaptability, flexibility, and innovation. With its iterative and collaborative approach, Agile empowers development teams to deliver software that meets customer needs in today's fast-paced and competitive digital landscape. Additional information: Agile methodologies, such as Scrum and Kanban, are widely used in software development projects. These methodologies provide frameworks and guidelines for implementing Agile practices and facilitating effective team collaboration and project management. By adopting Agile methodologies, organizations can enhance productivity, reduce risks, and deliver software products that meet customer expectations. It will provide an in-depth analysis of each phase, from concept to deployment, and offer valuable insights and best practices for implementing Agile methodologies in your software development projects.